Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm not here to deliver any speech or any such kind of thing, but today I'm gonna share with you all my experience in DAV Public School NTPC. I'm Himanshi, a proud student of DAV NTPC, and I have recently completed my class 12th board exams. I'm still waiting for the results. My journey began when I took admission as a student of class 11 science in DAV Public School NTPC. On the first day, like most of the parents and most of the students, I was also worried that whether I would be able to cope up in the new environment or not. But believe me, all the worries and all the fears of mine and my parents were vanished away when they interacted with the teachers for a couple of days. The teachers are really cooperative and very calm. The environment here is so positive and the discipline is in the air. I have developed love for nature and I have learned to cherish my Indian culture and moral values from my school. The children here are so talented. Even I have learned many new things from my juniors as well. We regularly perform Havan and Yagya activities that keep our mind peaceful and our environment pious. The cultural activities, the sports programs involved 100% participation of the students to bring out the best talent in them. I am a bookish person, so I love being surrounded by books, and my library provided me this opportunity. There are so many hundreds of books and themes available that one can never feel bored there. Even I used to go there for studying even on my preparatory holidays. Our teachers always believed to clear the concepts with in-depth knowledge and hands-on experience, so we used to perform many experiments in our chemistry and physics lab. The playground is so huge, the gardens are very well decorated with variety of flowers and the rabbits are really cute there. Okay, now as most of the students, they have dreamt of becoming head boy and head girl in their school time. I also dreamt of becoming a head girl, but believe me, I never thought that I would get this opportunity. I never have any confidence in my abilities, but my principal ma'am and my teachers, they realized my abilities and they polished my skills. And guess what? I was selected as the head girl of the school. That was indeed a brilliant moment of my life. I was living my dream life. My principal ma'am guided me at each and every step of my life. She is very supportive and very caring. She has provided me so many opportunities that I am still thankful for her. She have not only taught me to do different things in different ways, but she has provided me the confidence to deal with any situation with a broad smile on my face. Under her guidance, I have successfully conducted many inter-school, inter-school, state and district level competitions in our school. Believe me, I still feel blessed to have been under the guidance of such great mentors. The dedication of the teachers really inspires me a lot. The pillars of DAV NTPC are kindness, gratitude, moral values and discipline. They have really made me stand apart from all the students. I am very delighted to share my experience and I really believe that you all will feel the same once you feel the difference. Thank you.